Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect your InstaForex to MT5, MetaTrader 5. And for this, first of all, we go to accounts and we click on open demo account and make sure that you create an account that is standing on MT5. So then we do continue, then we click here on ECN VIP, that's fine. Select here your leverage, your currency, your initial balance, and then do continue. Then right now, this is our account. Then we do continue again. And right now we have our password right here and our login. So keep that in mind, hold it somewhere. They also send you a email. So if you leave this right here, make sure that you open your email address and then they send exactly the same right here to your email. Because right now we go to trading platforms and we click here on MetaTrader 5 for Windows. Then you will download it right here in the top. So we click now on InstaForex 5 setup. We do yes, we do next. And then right now he's downloading the MetaTrader 5 client. Boom, there it is. And now we click here on finish. And now he opened right here the MetaTrader 5. So this is instant trading. So we click here on instant trading. And then from now we click here on connect with an existing trade account. You can also go further with a demo account, but right now we want to use our existing account. So I go now to my email address. And then from here I copy my login to right here. And I copy my password. Right here, Control C and then Control V. And now we do finish. And boom, there it is. We just logged in with our account to the MetaTrader 5. So this is how you can connect your MetaTrader 5 with InstaForex. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.